Okay, we're gonna fix Xbox 360s.
The fuck, Johnny?
Dude, don't throw it in there.
What the fuck? That didn't do shit. Do it again.
These things are tough and durable.
I want to do this one.
Very tough, as you can see.
This is hella, dude.
This is a permanent fix right here. Just gotta get it good and deep in there, else it won't stay good.
This is how you open the Xbox 360. Here's someone.
You see it? I already got the courtesy of opening it for you guys. See? Took out the disc, everything. Just gotta get a good bang right there. Just fix everything. See?
Oh, break the phone on
All good. All good. All good.
Go. Ay, ay, ay.
See? Everything's good.
That's Johnny.
Johnny's a little...
Damn! Told you! Dude, you broke the hammer!
See? These Xboxes are very tough and durable.
You know, you gotta jab this 2 times.
Gotta love these Xboxes.
Gotta love them. Hey, Xboxes, dude. Hey, this is not gonna come out, dude. Just screws are all up in here, dude. Wait, let me see this. Oh, Johnny bust the front side.
Family reunion.
Jump. I think it works now.
Yeah, maybe if we set it up now, we're pretty good. We can play some Xbox Live, play some Call of Duty.
Refurbished.
We got some refurbished ones, some old ones.
And some just fucked up one. That one's just not breaking, dude.
Some old ones. Some penny tricks going, still don't work.
I'm breaking this Xbox.
See? Penny tricks still don't work. This one has disk drive or whatever.
So durable, I got cut.
Dangerous. And yeah, that's it.
It's not breaking. Why isn't it breaking?
Time to clean up. Alright, now you guys know how to fix your Xboxes. You don't have to be worried about one again.
Free fan.
Ever. Got some fans?